Alright, guys. That's the room number. Here is the entrance. Just want to give you guys a quick view of this room here because I wasn't able to see any online. And I've been here for quite like a week. I'm actually checking out here, so it might look quite lived in, and it has been. Start off here with the kitchen. Got beautiful lighting, granite countertops, plenty places to plug in your gadgets. Got a double-sided sink. Of course, standard Marriott utensils, cabinets with drinkware, such, microwave, and you got your glass top oven, stovetop, knife sets if you need them. Let's see here. Also some knives for cutting steaks if you're outside grilling. It's a coffee maker. Let's see here. Dishwasher. Running a load of dishes here, trying to help out cleaning staff. Let's see what else we got here. Refrigerator. Freezer. Full ice. And some yummies the kids didn't finish. Refrigerator. Just look at all the stuff I'm going to be leaving behind here. Can't take it with me. And right here by the front door, we've got those doors up there. We've got a washer and dryer combo, along with a Bissell for messes, and a broom and dustpan in case you have any larger messes. Which is pretty neat. It's come in handy, actually. Keep things tidy while you're around here. It's magnificent artwork. Oh, and let me actually, most people don't pay attention to this, but the detail here is pretty good. I love it. Walk through, you see that crown molding kind of all throughout the place. Alright, so we're going to walk forward here. This is the living room here. Got a look at the kitchen there. I love that mirror. Looks kind of grand. Lighting. And let's see, this is going to be set for 4. Or 6, I'm sorry. Family of 6. Television here. DVD player. Console storage if you need to. You've got some sitting chairs there, and you've got a pull-out couch. Okay, and this walking straight out here, we've got a look at Olina. And these doors, they are kind of child-proof here. So if you look, you'll do notice that you'll have the latch there at the door. Also on the main window itself, the panel, this is if you got kids. There is a safety latch here. As long as with the screen door, you may not be able to see it, but there is a safety latch on that door as well. So it's kind of child-proof, but you really kind of want to make sure you're supervising. And it looks out. This is an Oceanview room, so you get magnificent views of the resort, Pacific Ocean. Out here we've got seating here, table with two. I actually have been in this lounge chair with my feet up, just kind of looking out at the resort. And you can see that views are impeccable. Yeah. So it's kind of like how I'm looking at things when I'm out here. This room actually sits right in front of a big giant tree, and there are birds that around 6 o'clock they'll gather at that tree and they will sing, and you will hear birds singing like you've never heard before. It's amazing, relaxing if you're into that. Come back in here. Next thing I'm going to do is show you the guest room, or second bedroom. Okay, when you walk in, nice sized bed there. It's a king size. And you also got seating area, pull out couch there as well. Again, you've got ceiling fan, some crown molding. It's just excellent with the crown molding. Okay, you got a closet over here with a mirror. That's where you can put your stuff at while you're traveling. Plenty of space. Plenty of hangers. I think I've only brought like 4 hangers, so it was great to see so many hangers. Alright. And here's going to be the restroom. And there's plenty of towels and such. My stuff. And this one has a towel bathtub there. Let's take a look at that. Okay, and you got storage down here, just plenty of storage. So again, this is the guest bathroom here, so again, that detail there is, I love that detail. Alright, and let's, I didn't get out here yet, but also this room. One thing I actually will mention is they have these charge ports that actually come in the room. First of all, there's like, I mean, there's outlets all over the place, and if you look, you can just see outlets more than you would so anywhere else. There's some on that side. There's some behind here. You can actually probably see something plugged in there, but what makes it so convenient is when you've got these charge ports here, and there's 2 outlets here. You've also got like an iPad docking station. So I mean, literally, you got like 4 different ports that you can charge your gadgets. Same thing with the door here. You'll notice it has a little latch here. It's kind of child-proof. Again, you want to make sure that you're watching out. You can see someone is out selling this morning. Relaxing. But you do have 2 chairs on the table here if you want to come out and have some breakfast. You got a light. You do have a charging port in case you want to sit out here with a laptop. Just kind of charge your stuff. Or if you just want to sit and enjoy the sights, well, there you go. And you can't film smells, but someone's grilling something. It smells amazing. Alright. Let's close this up here. Probably another thing, well, I don't know if I showed the TV, but you do have a TV there along with storage there, so no problems there. This unit actually has its own thermostat area. Doors have to be closed in order for that to kick on. And out here in the main area, got another thermostat area. And take a look at the master. Yeah, you walk into the master, you can see you got a nice desk there. Again, crown molding detail is very important. Alright, so it looks here. This is what you're going to be looking at. Wake up in the morning there, so there's the bed. Just to come here and sit down and kind of just lay on it here. You're like, oh, wow, I'm in Honolulu. Look at that view. It's so beautiful. All right. Got a little work area here. And there's the bed. There's your television. And if you want, here's the kind of look-through area for the bathroom. It's kind of a private bathroom here, but these actually will shut. So you can actually close that out like that if you wanted to, right? Give yourself some privacy. Right here is going to be where you're going to store your stuff, along with the safe. You get my stuff out of there. All right. Let's see. So if you want to come and have yourself a nice solitude dip in the tub here, you can do that. More adventurous. You know, kind of look at the world while you're getting yourself washed off. You can do that. Okay. And there's the sink. Single sink, granite countertops. Luxurious. About that word there. All right, and here's the main shower area. Glass door. Oh yeah, the water pressure is incredible. It's kind of like you hop in there and you just do your deal and like, whoa. Yeah, it's serious business. All right, let's take a look at that shower. Plenty of pressure. Love the kind of towel here. Feels like marble, but it's all the way down to the floor, so. Okay. All right, more storage, bathroom. And this door will actually lead you right back out to the main kitchen and area, living room area. You can get those awesome views. Do one quick walkthrough if you were to actually come through the front door here, kind of jettison to your own master. Kind of take a look through there. You kind of dip through here. Decide if you're going to be hang out there. Maybe grab your stuff. Hop on the bed. Watch a little TV. Or just sit down. Take in the sights here. It's your little office while you do your little work. So, just wanted to put a little more content out there regarding this room. Marriott Olina 310039. Thanks.